Hey, my fellow multidimensionals, it's Asia Andromeda, founder of Multidimensional.com, and I'm extra sparkly today because, well, I do have some fun glitter makeup on, but I'm in a beautiful canyon in Idaho, and the energy here is so beautiful. There's a series of portals, and I just wanted to share this experience with you. I'm taking a little bit of a sagebrush bath, right? I've heard of forest bathing, but you really want to I was thinking about the Great American Smudge Out, right? We have cookouts, but what would it be like if all of a nation decided to just smudge themselves for a day? So yeah, I wanted to bring you into this space to share this beautiful energy with you. And we're gonna do a little bit of light language and talking with our Sasquatch friends here. I've done some pretty amazing work in this part of the world about a year ago, some huge work. I don't know if you can see that, the light might not be great. And so the Sasquatch clan elder here knows who I am, and in the effort to bridge race relations, I thought it would be beautiful to come in here and connect and just share. So we're going beyond conscious and becoming, remembering our multidimensionality, becoming multidimensional. And so to that end, let's bring in our interdimensional friends. So he's accepted my invitation and he is here with me. He's actually seated right here, so we'll shift the camera. So he's inviting you to make a heart connection with him. The focus is so cerebral on the mind and then the mental. He's saying, drop now. Come into your heart with me. Connect heart to heart. And then we can have true connection. Meaningful connection. And it is in this space that what I have to offer you can be received. So open your energy center to go ahead and receive his communication directly from his heart center. That's all he wishes to share. He's thanking me for the opportunity to connect with many, many humans, right? Embodied humans in a safe way for him, in a way that honors who he is, respects his wisdom, his teachings, without asking him to compromise himself by descending to our very limited expectations. So he's saying that most of the work to connect with Sasquatch tribes will be going into your heart center. And I concur. That is exactly what I was guided to do and have done. If I'm up here in the ego self, it's not as interesting. Just, this makes sense, right? The same way when we connect with other humans, if they're just in their ego space, it's kind of boring, right? But when we make a true heart connection, heart to heart, something really beautiful and magical occurs. Okay, so he's shifting out now. Again, thanking us for the opportunity to connect in this way. So nice. So I'll bring in the my Andromedan aspect to bring through what feels kind of like a blessing, which is really just an offering, a gift of energy and light codes. We're going to do it for all races here. Ya kuhina huinasana eka, ya ukukina ukua. Yana ko umas ko ina sko ina ko ana iki kaku kuine sigile vergina. Nar ko usa ya kuhina. Kiki kano han sa ineka aki kine kana makuki. Ya kuhina int at usina at gre ether ikan kuikina. May brother see brother and sister see sister with pure hearts and true intent. And the rebuilding of race relations is well underway in your planetary sphere. We cannot do this for you, nor will we. It is yours to do. Conflict thrives in duality. And loses air in unity. We encourage all of the peace builders, the bridge builders. You know who you are. Okay, and he's moving out now. Ooh. He had me open my eyes so that more of his transmission could come through my eye portals. So maybe you noticed that. Well, it's lovely to share this moment with you all. There is a really interesting ridge up here behind me, way back there. Let's see. And there's actually like a keyhole you can see right through the rock into the sky. So that's what we're doing, my friends. Activating key codes, opening portals, resurrecting grid structures, clearing out areas. Keep up the excellent multidimensional engineering work planet-wide. I just sent a note to a friend today. Egypt is calling. We've got a lot of infrastructure to resurrect and build out there, so I don't know when that trip's going to get put together, but I'm sure it will let me know. And I'm just going to be quiet for a minute. Maybe you can hear the stream down below. And I just got a high five from our Sasquatch friend. I did ask for his name, and he is not ready to give that out yet. Because as we know, names invoke a spirit, an energy, a person, right? It's a summoning, so he's not quite ready to go there yet, which I definitely respect. Okay, love you all. I'll see you on the next transmission.